Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is passive income? It's money that keeps coming in even when you're not actively working for it. You might still need to put in effort at the start, but once it's set up, the money starts to flow on its own. Think of it as planting a tree. You water it in the beginning, and later it gives you fruit year after year. We all want financial freedom, to do what we love without worrying about bills every day. Passive income helps you build that freedom. It gives you time to focus on your goals, travel, spend time with family, or even start new projects. The goal isn't to work harder, it's to work smarter and let your money work for you. The first and most popular way to earn passive income is through digital products. These include ebooks, online courses, design templates, or printables. You only create them once, and they can be sold thousands of times without extra work. Websites like Gumroad, Etsy, or Udemy are perfect for beginners. Start by teaching something you already know, maybe personal finance, fitness, or design. Every sale you make is pure profit after profit. Creating content can be a powerful source of passive income. When you make videos or write blog posts, they stay online forever. That means you can keep earning from ads, affiliate links, or sponsorships long after you post. The trick is consistency. Talk about topics you enjoy and focus on helping people solve problems. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers or 4,000 watch hours, your channel can start earning from ads. Here's one of the most classic passive income sources: dividend stocks. When you buy shares of a company that pays dividends, you receive a portion of their profits regularly. It's like being rewarded just for owning a small part of the business. Start small. Even $10 or $20 investments add up over time. Apps like Robinhood, eToro, or Weibo make it easy to begin. Reinvest your dividends and your money will start compounding faster than you think. Look around you. You might already be sitting on money. If you have a car, a spare room, or even a camera, you can rent it out for extra cash. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, or Fat Llama connect you with people who'll pay to use what you're not using. It's one of the easiest ways to earn without lifting a finger. If you love photography or creating short videos, this one's for you. Upload your work to websites like Shutterstock, Pexels, or Adobe Stock. Every time someone downloads your photo, you get paid. You don't need fancy gear. Even good smartphone photos can sell if they're high quality and useful for businesses. Drop shipping lets you run an online store without ever touching a single product. You list products online, and when a customer buys, your supplier ships directly to them. You earn the difference between your selling price and supplier price. This works great with trending products like fitness gear or tech accessories. You can use platforms like Shopify or AliExpress to get started. You don't need to buy an entire building to earn from real estate anymore. With real estate crowdfunding, you can invest small amounts into property projects and earn a share of the rental income or profits. Websites like Fundrise and Realty Mogul let you invest as little as $10. It's a great way to earn like a landlord without owning any property yourself. If you know how to code, or can hire someone who does, building an app can bring huge passive income. It could be a budgeting app, a reminder tool, or even a simple game. Once people start downloading it, you can earn from ads or paid upgrades. Some developers earn thousands every month just from one good app. Affiliate marketing is another easy way to make passive income. You promote a product or service you trust, and when someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. It works perfectly with blogs, YouTube videos, or even social media pages. Focus on products you genuinely like. Your audience will trust your recommendations more. Remember, passive income takes time to build, but once it's rolling, it gives you freedom for life. Start small, stay consistent, and reinvest what you earn. Even if you start with one idea today, a year from now, you'll thank yourself. Don't just dream of making money while you sleep. Make a plan, take action, and watch your income grow even when you're resting. All right, Wealth Geeks, that wraps up today's video on the best passive income ideas for beginners. If you learned something new or got inspired to start your own passive income stream, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment below. I want to know which idea you're going to try. And hey, if you're a brand or company interested in partnering with Wealth Geek, we're open for sponsorships. You'll find my email down in the description below. Let's collaborate and help more people build wealth the smart way. Thanks for watching. Stay consistent, stay curious, and remember, it's not just about making money, it's about making